Colliflower LLC here, and I'm here to show you some exciting new developments we have in the zero clearance insert world. It's a new patent pending design that we have, and I'll just get right to it. I'll show you how it works. So first of all, this saw here, which is the Capex miter saw, came with these two pieces of plastic here, and we just didn't think that was good enough quality, so we went ahead and made this zero clearance plate for it. We make lots of zero clearance plates for different saws. We make them for the Bosch Glide. We make them for many DeWalt saws. We make them for the SawStop table saw. All powder coated, very nice, fantastic quality aluminum frame, replaceable insert. That's the design. But we've taken it one step further here, and I'm going to show you. This is the plate that we made for the Capex miter saw, same with the other saws. But it has a patent pending design here. This is called the slide and snap design. Watch this. Here's the aluminum plate. Here's the 5mm EPVC insert. I'm going to insert the insert just like this, and then I'm going to snap it down. It's fantastic, nice and flush, really, really good stuff. Whereas before, you'd have to take our cauliflower plate out, unscrew the screws, put in the new replaceable insert, put it back in. But here, we'll just go ahead and cut this. Great zero clearance, absolutely wonderful, the best you can get. So here you are, there it is. Well, let's say you want it, all zero clearance wears out over time. So we're just going to replace it. You take whatever it is, you kind of pop it out there, just the insert, and then you slide it on out. There you go, you got this. You could keep it for later if you have it for a 90 degree. And we'll put in another one. Slide it in there. Snap it in. You are all set to go. You're ready to cut another zero clearance spot. Now, as you can see on the plate here, we sell these at Colliflower-ZCI.com. We also sell them at Infinity Cutting Tools and at Woodcraft Supply. We've sold them at lots of places. Sold them at Rockler before, all sorts of little shops. So this is the superior design as far as the zero clearance goes. And this is the next step. So the replaceable zero clearance, aluminum frame, powder coated, replaceable insert. But the next step of it is being able to load it in from the top, just like this. You saw how easy it is. It all stays in place, works well. All of the cauliflower miter saw inserts have been converted to this, and they're just the number one. So we thank you very much for listening. Thank you for checking this out, and we just hope that this serves your needs.